name is Chris Jensen with White Branch, located inside a Jensen Quality Homes office here at 109 East Main Street in historic downtown Murfreesboro. We are I'll say a new style of firm. We take floor plans and convert them to virtual reality so that you can walk through a house that's never been built before, almost like a model home, so that if you're building a custom home and all you have is a 2D set of floor plans, you can actually walk through the house as if it were built, or if you were walking through an existing home, which allows you to foresee problems that you might have that you would never notice from a set of plans. Most people can't interpret plans like builders or architects do, and so it's hard for them to look at a 2D image and have a 3D representation in their head, and so we make that 3D representation a reality for them to walk through.
Who are your customers? Are they the home builders, or are they?
We have several different customers. We try to advertise to the general public for people who are building a custom home. We advertise to architects to help in their design process with their clients, to get involved in the process before the plans are finalized. We advertise to custom builders who want to walk through with their customer before they start building so that they can save time and money on the build for both them and their customer with expensive changes. Once they walk through the house and it's built and they want to make a change, we try to market to them to foresee that. And then we also market to more of a production builder that we can, if they got a new neighborhood or a new plan, a house that's never been built before, we can build that and make a virtual walkthrough, Matterport style, click-through walkthrough that they can put on their website and advertise their house before it's ever been built, and or fully decorated, where even if it's been built, then you have to decorate it. And just really, and that's even just scratching the surface of the possibilities of uses for this type of product.
So tell us what's going on behind you.
So we've got somebody, this is a house we recently built for a client actually in Colorado, who's building a concrete home up in Colorado. And so she is got the headset on and standing inside of this house that's up on the TV. And what we're seeing is actually what she's looking in the headset and where she's standing. And this is a fully textured, fully decorated model. For custom homes, we downscale that to a black and white to one, make it simpler, cheaper, more affordable, and then also the goal is to look at the layout of the house versus the finishes. This customer is more concerned about looking at the finishes, so that's why we went to that extent with it.
So what do people need to do if they're interested?
If you're interested, one, you have to see it to really understand it. You have to see it to understand how much it will actually help and get your brain wrapped around what it is. We're always available. Call us, set up a demo, come through, walk through one of the houses we built. Beyond that, all we need is a set of floor plans, a fully dimensioned set of floor plans. We take that, put it into our software and build it. Takes us about 2 weeks for one of our black and whites. And then you can come through and actually walk through the whole house and see what it is that you may not be seeing on a 2D plan. And then we can also make some modifications and let you walk through it again if you make any changes. If we're doing a fully color, if you want to look and see that you want to, almost like hiring an interior decorator, and you want to see what the house would look like decorated, just give us the plans plus some Pinterest boards of the style you like, and our interior decorator goes through and decorates the house to that style.
So that's another question, like how many people do you have on staff here?
Here, so this is a multi-business. I build custom houses. That's actually what I got started with and what I do. And so as far as the White Branch aspects, it's myself and Mary Beth, who's our sales rep, and then I have an interior designer who's actually in California, and she has been working with us for a while and decorates the houses. So I build them in virtual reality and she decorates them, and Mary Beth shows them off.
Quite a team.